Dear friends, you are heartily welcomes to the wonderful nature. Streams are one of the part in the nature. They are different kinds. One of the kind is rain streams. A rain stream is a body of water with surface water continuously flowing on the surface channels. These streams are appear part of in a year. These are very important in improve the country's water. They are also feed into make our big rivers. There are different types of streams, headwater streams, year-round streams, seasonal streams, and rain-dependent streams. There is a great use of importance with the streams, useful in recharge groundwater and qualifies our drinking water, filters pollutants, helps from floods and provide different kinds of fish foods. They refresh surface water resources and are useful to many creatures. They are also mainly useful for wildlife habitats. The rain streams are the origins of the natural musical sounds. Its sounds make great relief and relaxing from day-to-day stress and anxiety. Now we are going to listen the sounds of the rain streams. Hi friends, I am Jeevaratnam. My channel name is Jeev Motion Pictures. Please subscribe my channel, view my channel and like my channel. If you subscribe my channel, I will send you the new uploaded video URLs and notifications. Thank you.